Okay, the last set of sort of large-scale, central nervous system structures that I want to cover are parts of the brain that are collectively known as the limbic system. And the limbic system basically involves several interconnected cortical, so there are going to be some cortical regions, and subcortical. That'll generally be nuclei that are located below, the surface, the bark of the brain, below the level of the cortex. And these are going to include the amygdala. Okay? The amygdala is going to be very important for processing, fear and sort of, emotion, strong, powerful emotional responses to threat. The hippocampus, which we mentioned already in the context of the temporal lobe, it's located along that medial temporal surface, and it's very important for memory function. Okay? Then there's also a region, a gyrus, a cortical gyrus, that is located around this sort of band of white matter here. This thing here, this white thing here, it's called the corpus callosum, and it represents axons that are going back and forth and connecting the two hemispheres of the brain. So this gyrus that goes around the corpus callosum is called the cingulate gyrus. And then there's a big nucleus here towards the front of the brain that's very important for emotional responses and particularly pleasurable responses associated with drugs, called the nucleus accumbens. We'll be talking quite a bit about the nucleus accumbens. All of these areas are important for emotional processing. For example, motivation, fear, learning, and also for memory.